My name is Michael Gurkin with Gurkin Construction. We've hired students from the welding program at Brunswick Community College. We are industrial welding constructors, and we do primarily welding and metal fabrication. We're looking for welders that can do structural and mechanical welding. So in our work, we work with carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum primarily, and we use all three processes, stick, TIG, and MIG. Things we've seen is as some older guys retire, and welding, it takes such a long time to master. We've seen guys come out of this program ready to go to work. They're ready to hit the ground running and gain experience because they've had so much welding and such good instruction at Brunswick Community College. Talking to potential students asking should they go to school or should they just pick it up in the shop, I always recommend them to go to school to get that background, to get that technical, the technical side and all the welding time. So students ask me who are enrolled, should I graduate? Should I go out and go to work right now? Should I finish this last class? Things like that. I always recommend them to finish that program, get the degree, get all the education while you're there.